Good morning and welcome by the river of Ganges, that is western part of the Ganges river from Sakrail. Welcome to our industrial forklift class. It's strange, after seeing the river, we are welcoming you to our training center over here. This is AshokeLeyland-AmazePower in collaboration with IAMPHOENIX. We are going to start our new project, Industrial ForkliftTraining, here. You can see the place, the warehouse is getting ready, and one EOT, electrical wire trailer, is working here already, and that is the place where our forklift training will be starting soon. Hopefully by the end of September or the beginning of the October.